Hello, I'm Cliff, and I want to talk to you about a new technology using the DWF platform and Autodesk Designer View to improve collaboration. Adapx has developed a digital pen which will allow me to take handwritten markups created with this pen and bring them back into Autodesk Designer View. So how this works is, this looks like a normal kind of fat pen, and it has a pen head, but it also, what you may not be able to see, it has a small camera. And that small camera will pick up a dot pattern on a piece of paper. It's a very small dot pattern. It almost looks like a gray tint to the paper. So what I can do is I can publish a DWF file from any of the Autodesk design applications, run it through software which will add this dot pattern to the DWF, print this out in any high-resolution laserjet printer, and I can take just the pen and the paper out into the field or on the shop floor, make some markups, and bring them back into the office through USB and upload them into Autodesk Designer View. And as you can see for this example, I actually have a floor plan created from AutoCAD Architecture, but you could use this in any industry. You could use it for the civil or geospatial industry, creating markups that were created out in the field, bring those back into the office easily, or in the manufacturing for to empower shop floor employees to create markups and bring those back into the office using just the pen and the paper. And let me demonstrate how that works. So let's make some markups. And I have many types of options for markups that I can create. I'll start off with a freehand here. So I select the freehand tool and I create just a quick markup of an arrow. I can actually make some text too. So let's write extend wall 8 feet. Also want to create an actual call out, which I'll grab this area and make into one room. And let's add some associate notes. And what that allows me to do is place a location for a hyperlink. And I can take my journal, and for demo purposes, I'll just create a quick design here, quick cube. And let's make one more freehand. Tool here. And I also want to create a stamp as well. So I can mark this as not for construction. So all I need to do is create a box here, and it will fill in the stamp as necessary. And when I've finished creating all of my markups, I just need to plug this back into my USB port, and it will upload all those markups and place them into Autodesk Designer View. In just a minute. And this is where the magic happens. So taking a closer look in Autodesk Designer View, you can see that all of my handwritten sketches have been converted into objects. For example, in this example, you can see my actual handwritten sketches and the converted text. If I go to my Layers menu and cut off the Captrix Archive layer, it removes my handwritten sketches, and you can just see the objects that were created. So we'll go up to the Markups panel. All these objects were created. You see the freehand sketch, the callouts, the text, another freehand sketch, and the not for construction stamp. And I also have a hyperlink to my notebook to the other sketch that I created. So all of these objects have been created in Autodesk Designer View. It's a quick and easy, great way to get that information back into Autodesk Designer View. So this is another great technology using the DWF platform and Autodesk Designer View to improve process efficiencies in your design workflow.